Okay. Background. Making tons of pepper from trees can harm the planet. Humans cut 80,000 to 160,000 trees around the world. Every day use many of them to make pepper. Youngers also cut down forests also for pepper, which means animals and birds lost their home. Cutting down forests also contribute to climate changes and pepper factory pollute the air. Not only that, it takes 6 to 9 years to decompose pepper in the trash. As per survey, it takes 24 trees to make 1 ton of pepper, which is about 200,000 sheets. Plastic is often used wrapping material but is environmentally harmful. The banana pepper can replace plastic. That's why substitute is important and it saves lot of trees, slow climate changes and help protect animal habitat.
Objectives. Objectives number 1. To produce eco-friendly paper from banana system. To investigate and relate to water absorption, water diversion, fiber burning, fiber analysis, tensile and decomposition.
To produce paper help to reduce and degradation of natural forests. Timbers as raw materials for paper manufacturing. Objective number 3. To produce paper more biodegradable and environmentally eco-friendly paper.
Objective number 4. To produce a safe and natural paper. Objective number 5. To make full use of banana stem. Objective number 6. Getting involved by the new campaign launched by Ministry of Natural Resources, Team and Environment Waste to Wealth. The ingredients are 1 kg banana stem, sodium hydroxide solution, pot, strainer and blender. Methodology. First cut the banana stem into pieces. First cut the banana stem into pieces. After boiling the water, just add the banana stem and mix it. After mixing it, wait for a minute. Next add the 25 ml sodium hydroxide into the boiling pot. Next vary the water. Then strain the stem of banana that already boiled. Blend the mixture with little water to make into pulp. After blending it, remove it from a blender and pour it into a container that already filled with water. Next, strain the banana stem so that the fiber can get on it and let it dry.
Now is result of the process. The paper were analyzed for the absorption of water, water dispersion, fiber analysis, fiber burning, decomposition and tensile strength. For the water dispersion test, it shows that the water completely disperses in 3 minutes and only take 1 minute to absorb 1 drop of water. The result paper shows the lowest absorption, which is 50% as compared to A4 paper, 20%, newspaper 35%. Diameter of the dispersion is 3 cm and only take 1 minute to absorb 1 drop of water.
For the fiber burning experiment, the paper produced small amount of ashes, less smoke, difficult to burn and odorless smoke. For the fiber analysis, it shows the highest fiber content and it's waterproof. Lastly, for tensile strength, it shows 36% strengthened compared to A4 paper, which is 21% and newspaper 12% until the paper starts to tear. The suggestion are our next invention will be no trees paper hot cup. Use fiber than trees. This makes no trees paper hot cup. Quite sustainable as no trees are cut down to make this paper hot cup. Our product also helps to promote Sustainable Development Goals number 13, which is climate action
By not chopping down the trees.
and reduce global warming. Our future plan will be manufacturing more of this product and sell it to the public. Astigiti Radang Bukit Raja will be the pioneer in producing this eco-friendly banana stem paper. We deal to reduce global warming by not chopping down the trees. The novelties are: first, eco-friendly paper can reduce the excessive logging that lead to global warming. Uneasy to tear, cut waste, less flammable, reflect to less light, best option on friendly environment, very useful and save cost in the paper making. The load mass. Thank you.